Right, hello guys. So Melon Playground recently got upgraded. I mean updated. In Melon Playground you can get free mods now without doing this. And let's go to card app. So I love snipers so much. And I'll teach you how to get two knives, Karambit, and folding knife. These two are bad. These two are good. So how do you get it? First, let's get Karambit. Get out of the get out of BR or multiplayer or zombies. Then click clan. Click store. Scroll down until you find Karambit Tropical Sunset. It's gone because I already buy it. I want the rally car and the thermite. So I must earn more. These things are called clan credits. How to get them? Well, just play any modes like VR or multiplayer. Zombies, you can get it, I think, because I haven't played zombie. I've been playing VR and multiplayer for like a year now. Alright, folding knife. Get to the autumn breeze in the top right. It's like a book with a thing. Now you go here. Collect your daily reward first. You'll get credits or random. And go to Phantom Conquest. As you can see, I can already collect them all. Just kidding. Just one, two, 5 more. 5 more to go and I finish this. As you can see, there's a free gun skin in node 011. You go here and you'll see, in node 17, you'll get this free assault knife. Hold on. Okay, back. And then these two beautiful knives is stylish if you're a sniper user. I'm learning Tagalog, so if you guys are Filipino, I can speak Filipino also and understand. And I'm grade 3 now. Yeah. So hopefully you subscribe. And these things are called, I don't know how to get them. You must play BR and multiplayer also. I play rank. Yes, rank MP. So I can level up and get these things. So hopefully subscribe. And remember, stay sweet. Bye.